Hello guys and girls, it's a very beautiful day and welcome once again to Forex Clubhouse. Now this is a trade that I took today on 4th of June on VIX 50 index, and it is a real account as you can clearly observe. So before we can proceed on me explaining to you all the factors that made me take this trade from A to Z, please do know that this video is sponsored by Trader Central. Trader Central offers a suite of financial products including funding, spot cryptocurrency exchanging, and liquidity services. If you are a trader and you're looking to get funded, then I would suggest you sign up with Trader Central through the link in the description below. Guys and girls, let us now jump straight into the point of this video as promised, from A to Z. So the day started by me waking up from the bed, then I opened up my MetaTrader app, then afterwards I went to the 1 hour time frame and zoomed out to the maximum so that I get the overall clear picture of the trends. And judging by the direction of this arrow, it shows clearly that it is on a downtrend, and since it is pointing to the downside. After noticing this, I raised my arm and put it right on my chest and said to myself, I ate soon. Today on 4th of June, I will only look for sell opportunities on volatility 50 index only, so help me God. But the only problem that was found on this trade is that the market has already made a retest to the structural high right here. Maybe when it was occurring, it was way much too late on my side, and probably I was asleep at the moment or just watching movies, so I missed it. But that should make you sad, and it is here where most of the amateur traders would develop that thing famously called fear of missing out. And this is the major problem that most of my students who before they joined in my mentorship class were struggling with. Leaving that short story aside, let's continue with the video explanation. Having missed a very good entry, I did say to myself that the market never moves in a straight line, so do not worry. The market always moves in a push phase and a retest, always. And that's where I would have get my another entry. So I did mark this push phase, which in the lower time frame, let's say the 30-minute time frame, would appear in series of lower lows and lower highs. So let's shift to the lower time frame for a clear picture for you to see. On the 30-minute time frame, you can clearly see how the market made a very good move, almost picture perfect one, of lower lows and lower highs. Yes, so all that I had to do is sit and wait for these weak rejections to occur for I to execute this trade instantly without any fear attached, because the trade is within my rules. Not the keyword, my rules. Now guys and girls, please talk to me in the comment section below. Tell me, should I resume sharing the indicator strategy settings as I was doing it previously, or should I just base on pure price action videos as the way I am doing it right now? Or should I just do them both? Let's say on Sunday, price action videos, on Wednesday, indicator strategy settings video, and so on.
This video/stream is sponsored by Trader Central. Trader Central provides funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusive for communicating with trader friends. Sign up now using the link in the description and get up to 30% off on your first plan.
Guys and girls, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have enjoyed it, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn the notification bell icon on to be the first to view any of my future uploads.